All right, today we're doing oil change on the SQ5. We're doing some 5W30, couple ratchets, magnetic tray, glove, some rags. That's all you'll need. Next, we're just gonna take off this under tray and then drain the oil. These screws on the under tray, super easy to get out. Here's our drain plug. Boom. There we go. All right, new drain plug is installed. So it's a skid plate. Filled it up with 7 quarts. We're gonna warm it up and then top it off. Lastly, we also did our filter right here. Looks pretty good. Never forget this little gasket as well. And yeah, we're pretty much all done. Make sure not to over tighten this or your drain plug. Now we're topping it off a little bit. Car's warmed up. Boom. And you'll actually see, boom,